Robin here of Stampin' Country. Thanks so much for stopping by. How do you store your paper scraps? Do you not know where to put them? Are they scattered all about? Do you have them shoved in a baggie or all mixed together and you can never find anything? And it takes up your valuable crafting time. Today I'm going to show you a quick and simple storage solution. I made my file folders from cardstock that matches the scraps, so they're real easy. It's real easy to file or to retrieve my scraps. I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial on how to make these. You'll need a trimmer scorer, and I have mine here, and you'll also need the envelope punch board. To make the folders, you'll need a piece of 12 by 12 cardstock. I like them nice and big, so I have plenty of room for all sizes of scraps. And then we're going to score our cardstock at 5 inches, 5 1/4 inches, and 5 1/2 inches. And this is going to give us a nice little, so we can expand the thickness on our file folder. The next thing we want to do is, you can see that this side is smaller and this side is bigger. On the bigger side, we're going to use the punch board to make our little tabs. So I'm going to line this up. If you want it on the edge, you just line it up in the center there and punch. And then just come over however big you want your tab and punch. Super simple. And then this is the part that we won't need because we have our tab. So I'm going to line this up and we're going to just cut that part off. Simple so far. Okay, so now we have a tab. We have that scored. I don't like the looks of these pointy corners, so I'm going to use my punch board one more time. And we're going to just round off those corners. And ta-da! We are almost done with our file folder. You want to fold it. We're going to do the Mountain Valley folds. We'll just burnish that a little bit. And then we're going to do the other 2 score lines going the other way. Pretty easy, right? And then you can just pinch these in. That way your file folder will open up. It can get thicker or thinner depending on how much you need. So you have sort of a little W or M there. And you can see that we have our file folder. And then you'll just want to label them. I used my classic label punch, but you can use whatever you want. This one is Balmy Blue. I like these file folders because it's easy to find. Not only am I reading it, but I can also see by the color that this will file all my Balmy Blue scraps. So now I can file all my Balmy Blue scraps in my folder, and I'll place that in my drawer. Now the first file folder, I placed my tab over on the edge. This one, I want more in the center. It doesn't have to be precise, I just want my tab. So you just figure out where you want it and punch. So you can make your tabs in any position you want. For the center one, then we'll just cut off the extras in both directions. And now you can see I have a tab, center tab. Now that you've seen how easy it is to make file folders, what would you use these file folders for besides card scraps? Anyway, you can make these file folders and store your scraps. You can tell very easily where to file them so you won't have a big mess. Thanks so much for stopping by and have a fabulous day.